Imagine drifting through the cosmic expanse, millions of galaxies glowing like lanterns in an endless dark. Yet beneath their silent dance, something stirs. What if the cosmos isn't just unfolding but feels, remembers, and evolves? What if we're not mere observers, but cells in a galaxy-wide organism? This is the story of a living universe, where structure whispers of awareness and meaning pulses through the stars themselves. Before the first star burned, before the first atom spun in the cold womb of space, there was potential. An infinite canvas, silent and formless, yet perhaps not empty. From the earliest days of thought, humanity has whispered the same question. Does the universe know itself? In the shadowed courtyards of ancient Greece, Anaxagoras spoke of Nous, a cosmic mind, the architect of all order. To the Stoics, it was Logos, the rational fire burning through every particle, shaping chaos into harmony. Across continents, in Vedic hymns and Chinese philosophy, the same vision shimmered. The heavens are not dead, but alive. These were not idle metaphors. They were attempts to name something felt deep in the marrow, that when you look up at the night sky, it is not just you looking at it, but it looking back. Centuries later, science would carry that ancient intuition into the laboratory and the equation. In quiet corridors of thought, the idea resurfaced under a new name: Pansychism, the radical suggestion that consciousness is not born from complexity alone, but is a basic feature of reality, that even the smallest quark may hum with the faintest echo of awareness. And from this seed, another idea sprouted: cosmopsychism. If matter has mind-like qualities, then why not the whole? Why not imagine the universe itself as a single, boundless organism of thought? Every galaxy a neuron, every star a spark. To the rational ear, it sounds impossible. To the poetic heart, it sounds inevitable. And somewhere between reason and wonder, a truth may be waiting. The hum deepens. Camera glides past galaxy clusters, their shapes eerily like synapses in a vast brain. The ancients could only imagine it. We may soon be able to prove it. What if a mind doesn't need a brain? What if thought could stretch across light years, written not in neurons but in galaxies? In the last few decades, astronomers have mapped the cosmic web, a vast structure of matter and energy stretching across the universe. Long, glowing filaments of galaxies weave together like the neural pathways of an unimaginably vast brain. Between them, dark voids, silent as sleep. And here's the eerie part. When scientists compare the structure of this cosmic web to the human brain's connectome, they find striking similarities. The number of nodes, the way connections cluster, even the balance between information flow and stability. Two systems, separated by scale so vast it defies the imagination, yet built on the same blueprint. The view dissolves, neurons firing, synapses pulsing, then back to galaxies connected by gravity and dark matter. The shapes match. Is this just coincidence, or is it a clue? Some physicists, like Sabine Hossenfelder, admit the idea sounds strange, but not impossible. After all, intelligence is simply the ability to process information, adapt, and respond. If the universe can evolve complex structures, exchange energy across its networks, and remember through physical laws, could it be in some form aware? Perhaps we are looking at a kind of cosmic nervous system. Not one that thinks in words or images, but in the slow, silent language of gravity, energy, and time itself. Camera glides through the filaments, light from distant galaxies flowing like electrical impulses. Somewhere in this pattern, the darkness may be listening. Consciousness. For centuries, it was the most private of mysteries, locked inside our skulls, hidden from the reach of science. But in the last decades, a new frontier has emerged, one that reaches far beyond biology. At the center of this shift stands a controversial theory, Orc-Or, orchestrated objective reduction, developed by physicist Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff. They propose that consciousness is not merely an emergent property of neurons, but is rooted in the strange, probabilistic world of quantum mechanics. If they are right, then the same quantum rules that govern the birth of particles in empty space could be the same laws that give rise to thought. And here's the breathtaking implication. If consciousness emerges from quantum processes, then the ingredients for awareness are not confined to brains. They are everywhere, in the atoms of a mountain, in the dust between stars, in the very fabric of space-time. Some thinkers push even further. Physicist David Bohm envisioned the universe as a hollow movement, an indivisible whole where matter and mind are two aspects of a deeper reality. To him, the cosmos was not a stage for life to appear. Stars and dust, endlessly turning in mechanical patterns. Some philosophers believe there may be purpose woven into the fabric of reality. Philip Goff, a leading voice in Pansychism, suggests that the universe may have inherent goals, one of which is to bring forth self-awareness. In his view, consciousness is not an accidental byproduct of chemistry, but the culmination of cosmic intention. Astrophysicist Brian Swimme offers a poetic vision. Over 14 billion years, the universe has unfolded from a singular point into galaxies, stars, planets, and life. And now, in beings like us, it has become conscious of itself. We are the cosmos looking in a mirror for the first time. This idea connects with the anthropic principle, the observation that the universe seems fine-tuned for life. Physical constants fall within an extraordinarily narrow range that allows stars to form, planets to exist, and biochemistry to function. To some, this is simply chance. To others, it is a sign that the universe is set up, perhaps even designed, to create observers. If the cosmos does have a purpose, it may be far larger than our imaginations can hold. Life might not be a rare accident on a single planet, but an essential function of the universe itself, its way of learning, growing, and remembering. And if that is true, then every heartbeat, every thought, every question we ask is not just ours. It is the universe thinking through us. The more we look outward, the more the universe answers back, not in words, but in patterns of light and the slow language of time. The Atacama Cosmology Telescope has captured the sharpest images yet of the early universe. Cosmic baby pictures showing the birth of galaxies, the dance of primordial gas, and the quiet, shaping hand of dark matter and dark energy. These images are not just snapshots. They are memories preserved in the oldest light, telling us how the cosmic web took form. But with each discovery, new mysteries emerge. Astronomers have found that a surprising number of galaxies, nearly 2/3 in certain surveys, appear to share the same rotational direction. On the largest scales, this kind of coordination is unexpected, as if the universe itself carries a subtle spin. Some scientists speculate that our cosmos might be the interior of a rotating black hole, born in a way that imprints this motion on everything within it. Such findings challenge our understanding of cosmic origins. Are we looking at the after effects of ancient forces, or at the signature of a self-organizing system, something that shapes itself with intention? Every telescope, every new set of data is like finding another heartbeat in the deep. The story the universe is telling is not static. It evolves with every photon we catch, every anomaly we record. Perhaps the most astonishing realization is that these stories, scattered across billions of light years, are reaching us now for the first time. And yet, in some way, they have been part of us all along. In quiet corners of online forums, people wonder aloud. If neurons form consciousness in our brains, could galaxies and cosmic filaments form awareness in the universe? Some write it more poetically. You are the universe as a person, staring back at yourself. These reflections echo ancient philosophy, suggesting that our sense of self might be the cosmos recognizing itself through human eyes. If the universe is alive, then we are not outsiders in a vast, uncaring space. We are part of its body, part of its mind. Every thought we have, every discovery we make, may be the universe exploring its own depths. And perhaps, when we gaze up at the night sky, the stars are not just shining back. They are answering. And so, gazing into the night, know this: the galaxy that acts alive may yet be the galaxy that knows, feels, remembers. And somewhere, in the boundless weave of cosmic light and thought, life whispers back,